Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to close running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the recents, and you can do it using two different ways. It depends if you've got the navigation bar just like me or if you've got the gestures. So if you've got the gestures, all you have to do to open the recents is swipe your finger up very gently and hold it somewhere here, and you should see the previously opened apps. But if you've got the navigation bar, just tap on this three bars icon, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously opened apps. If you want to close only one of it, then just swipe it up like that. But if you want to close all of them, simply tap on close all. As you can see, we just got back to our home page, so let's enter the recents again. And here we've got no recent items, so it means that we successfully closed all running apps. So actually that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.